What's up, guys? This is Zack Hample, back at PETCO Park in San Diego for the second time this week. I was in Anaheim last night, PETCO the day before that. This is the final day of a crazy 2-week stretch. I'm so tired right now. I've been to 12 games in the last 14 days at 6 stadiums. It's a day game here today, no batting practice, gonna focus on some toss-ups early, and then during the game, I'm gonna be up in the club level, never sat there here before, going for some foul balls. And right now, I'm in this area inside the stadium called the Park at the Park, and just follow me around this way. We'll do a little 360, show you what it looks like. Over here, we have the Tony Gwynn statue, and keep following me this way. We got the little field over there where some kids are already playing ball. You can see a stage where they have some performances, sometimes live music. The field in the background, absolutely nothing going on right now, no players in sight. So just gonna hang out here, and when the rest of the seating bowl actually opens soon, we'll head that way and hope the guys come out soon, man, because I am so pumped up. Let's do it. All right, I'm going down into foul territory now. My videographer, Chris, is about 200 feet in that direction. He's gonna get some shots of me from afar. So let's see how this goes. One nice thing about this stadium is that the guards and ushers are really chill early on, so you can get right down to the front row without having to show a ticket. And when there's no batting practice, there are more opportunities to get autographs and interact with the players. 2 nights ago, I had e-tickets that I scanned on my phone, but I found an actual hard ticket on my way out and got that signed today by 4 Padres pitchers. You can see all the signatures right here. Craig Stammen, Trey Winginter, Michelle Baez, and Kirby Yates. Now, I do have to give Yates credit for signing, but I'm disappointed with his attitude toward me and ball hawking. He was a bit standoffish last month when I asked him for a ball during BP in Miami, and today he told me that I would never get one from him. I asked him if I could tell him what I do with the baseballs. I wanted him to know that I give most of them away and also donate some to a children's charity, but he simply said, "I don't care." So yeah, he's a great pitcher, but needs a personality overhaul. After that, I hurried through the empty seats to the left field foul line because a bunch of Rays pitchers were out there warming up. I asked Misha Dworkin, the bullpen catcher, for a ball, and he was like, "Don't you have enough of them already?" He was cool about it though, and I told him that it's a brand new day and my total was 0. He smiled and tossed it to me, and then we had a brief chat about my travels and collection. Then I got 3 more autographs on some Mariners versus Rays tickets that I found last weekend in Seattle. Jose Alvarado, Brendan McKay, and Andrew Kittredge. So even though there wasn't BP today, there has still been lots of action in a different way. And after those autographs, I got a second ball tossed up by a member of the Rays coaching staff, not sure who. Now, in case you missed it, this past off season, I did a 4-part video series on my massive collection of autograph tickets, more than 1,000 autographs going way back to the 1990s. So, check the description for this video. I will throw all 4 of those links there. Lots of viewing for you guys to do, especially for you guys who love autographs, who are always telling me, "Zach, you catch all these balls, get more autographs." Well, today was the day. I got 7 of them. Right now, trying to see what time it is. I think it's about maybe half an hour until game time. So, gonna catch my breath, wander around, find some food at some point, and then hopefully catch a foul ball during the game. That's my #1 goal for today. Mr. Chris, with the autograph request.
There you go.
Let's see what that signature looks like. Instant replay, Chris. Love it.
Will you sign it?
Yeah, I get mine for free. club level we go. First order of business, getting some food. I picked a place not too far from my seats called Board and Brew. They have a nice selection of sandwiches there, and I got one called the San Diegan. And man, I am absolutely starving. I have not eaten anything today, so this is gonna be both my breakfast and lunch. It's got some turkey, some avocado, bacon, tomatoes. So before I dig in, just gotta point out, this is the view from my actual seats. Perfect angle for foul balls from righties. I don't have a ton of range though. I got the plexiglass on this side. I got a dude sitting, I don't know, just a few seats to my right. So they pretty much have to hit one right at me. Every time I come here, they hit a bunch of balls up this way, and I thought, why not just try it once? Especially since there are commemorative balls, like I mentioned a couple nights ago. I might actually want to move after a few innings and check out right field. There's like nobody up in the walkway there. Nice sliding catch by Austin Meadows out in right field. So, yeah, let's take a big old bite of this thing and see what it's all about. Jealous right now. There's action right there in the owner's suite. And up here in the regular club section, look at that, another one. Upper tank right there. So, bottom of the fifth inning, Padres are up 5-2. I'm so tempted to wander. I want to go for home runs. I want to look at the stadium. But I know what's going to happen. The second I leave this spot, they're going to hit one right here. That's just like one of the laws of physics. game is over here at PETCO Park, and the Rays have finally been defeated. I saw them win 4 in a row on this trip, and they won here last night when I was off in Anaheim. Today, the Padres got them by the score of 7-2. Tommy Pham got the Rays on the board early with a 2-run homer, but it was all San Diego after that. Eric Hosmer went yard in the 5th, Cal Quantrill picked up the win, and my least favorite player on the team pitched a scoreless 9th. I think you can guess who that is. And as for me, no batting practice, of course, but it was still an action-packed day. 2 toss-ups early on, 7 autographs. Of course, I was bummed to be up here in the club level, foul ball central, and to have so many close calls and to not get one. There were balls landing over here in the owner's suite, balls going up above into the upper deck, some landed over here in the seats. There was that one that was rattling around and bouncing. All it had to do was stay here in the seats, but it landed perfectly on the pavement, skipped over the side railing. That's a huge bummer, but you know what? It was still a great day, great trip. 6 games on this West Coast swing, 39 baseballs total. That's an average of 6.5 per game. The 2 today gave them both away, but they both count for my lifetime total. So that number is 11,006. I gotta go home, I gotta fly back to New York just a few hours from now, so I gotta get out of here. I'll be back, probably skipping Yankee Stadium over the next few days. I gotta relax, catch up on more video stuff, make more plans, so stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. That place is the best. Oh. Is that right?